Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Open troubleshoot settings. Now click on other troubleshooters. Just scroll down and run Windows Store apps. It will try to detect the problems. Once done, close all these windows and then go to search bar and type here services. Click here to open it. It will open services window and you need to just scroll down and right click on Windows Update, select properties and set it as to automatic and click on start. Then click on apply. OK. On the same window, right click on this service, select properties and set startup type as automatic. Click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and open command prompt. Now type these commands carefully. You'll get all the commands from the description below to avoid mistakes. And hit enter to execute it. Then close command prompt and simply restart your system. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.